Here in Pismo, guys, for the weekend. It's really foggy. It's not cold, it's pretty warm, but it's foggy. Check that out, guys. I like it. And I found a different issue to the car, guys. Some of you already know, but for those of you that don't know, I just fixed the transmission, and now the car's smoking out to the back. I didn't know that because the car wasn't running, didn't have the battery. Then I installed the battery, and the car was practically parked till I fixed the transmission. Now that I fixed the transmission, I have been driving the car a bit around, and I have left it on for a while. Now check out the back. Okay, guys, so that's the issue I got now with the BMW 750. So there's a couple things that could be. It could be the two valves that go in the front, like on the motor, one on each side. Okay, guys, so I removed that cover, and those two side covers, they go right here. The two side covers go right here, and the main one goes right here. Sorry about the wind, guys. It's pretty windy, but I just got a quote for the smoke that was coming out of the tailpipe. The valve stem seals or stem valve seals, something like that. But I don't know if I should do it. Since I just did the transmission problem, I got the transmission problem fixed. The car is running good. The first time I drove it, guys, it was kind of hard shifting. Not that bad, but it was kind of hard shifting. So I brought it back, put more oil since I checked it again, and it wasn't leaking no more. Through the oil plug. So I added more, and it took about 2 quarts more. Then it started pouring out again. So I covered it. I put the plug back in, and I drove it, and the hard shifting went away. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna remove all this stuff, because I think I saw online about a guy having the same problem, and I guess the intake had oil inside. I don't know if that solved the problem, but I don't want no oil in the intakes. So I'm gonna do that right now, guys. Another thing that I did was check these valves. It's got one on each side, and I checked them out, and those are brand new. So I guess it was smoking. For the last owner had it was smoking, so I think he replaced those. But that didn't solve the problem. Another thing that I'm gonna do, guys, is I went to the DMV already, and paid for the plates and everything. but now I need to go get past the brake and lamp inspection. So that thumbnail that you're gonna see, or that you guys saw, that's where they were checking, the brake and lamp, and the car needed the rear brakes. So that's what they're doing on that thumbnail. So another thing that I want to do is, I can't get the car to play the music that I want. I like to play with our CDs. I guess I ain't got no CDs. It's been a while since I had a CD. But that's all I could play, CDs. There's I guess, I'm not sure, I could put a CD in there. Then I got that right there, that you could put a couple CDs. I don't know how many CDs. Oh no, 6 CDs. That's what it says right there. And then I don't know what these are for. I'm pretty sure they're for CDs also. Another 1, 2, 3, 4. That's too many CDs. I'm pretty sure it was cool to have all those spaces for CDs back in 06, but not right now, guys. Well, at least not for me. 2018, and it's been a while since I saw the last CD. But since I saw a CD, but what I do want to, I want to play my phone or my music on the car. And actually, when I was trying to hook up the Bluetooth to the my phone to the car through the Bluetooth, I actually thought that I could play my music, but it's just for the phone, for calls. So that really sucks. I've been looking around in other YouTube videos, and I guess you gotta buy the aux cord, or the input that goes somewhere behind this, that you could hook up. If I had an aux cable, that would be perfect. I don't know how to do it Bluetooth. Besides getting the FM transmitter and hook it up right here on the cigarette lighter. That's another thing. That's the thing. Which I really don't want to go that route. I'll go that route if I have to, but I think I'll be better off with an aux cable, aux cord. The input. So I'm gonna try to get the input first, and that thing's just pretty hard. I guess I'm gonna be stuck with the FM transmitter. I've seen in other videos that they do something back here too, but I really don't want to go back there and remove something and mess something else that I don't. The car already has plenty of issues. I don't want to cost more. So yeah, guys. So far, the next thing to do, I was about to take it to the paint shop. I was getting ready to take it to get it painted. There's a paint shop around 40 minutes away that he does good jobs and doesn't charge that much. But all that's gonna stop for now. Is gonna be on pause because I really want to get the car, running good. I don't want the car to be smoking out the back. So I really think I need to fix that. I really want to fix that. I'm taking it to the shop, and they could, diagnose for sure that it needs the valve stem seals or stem valve seals. Can't remember, the proper way to pronounce them or to say them, but the mechanic wants to be 100% sure he needs them. That's what it is, unless it's something else. But no, he said he's 90 something percent that positive that it's that. So Um, I'm just gonna go for it, guys. I want to get this car fixed, running. I want to do it. I don't want to do it myself. I don't think I'm capable of doing it. So I'm gonna leave that to the professionals. He's a German car professional. He's got a lot of BMWs. He said he's done this to the BMWs a lot of times, to those 5 Series, X5s, and other cars that share the same motor, that they all have the same problem. So um, he's got a lot of Mercedes too, Audis. He does a lot of German cars, so that gives me the confidence that you know that he'll get it done right. He's gonna give me guarantee also for the job. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get that done. Hopefully, he says it's gonna take a little bit more than a week. If he doesn't have no more cars, or bigger jobs that keep him from getting the hands on my car, he should do it in a week, a little bit more than a week. So yeah, guys, that's the next step. I'm gonna hold on the paint job, and I am gonna get it painted though. I am gonna get it painted, but my priority is getting the car running perfect. After I get the car running perfect, I'm gonna send it straight to the shop. I did wanted to paint the car myself, but honestly, I do like the car. I like the car a lot, and I want to see the car at its best. I don't know if you guys could understand what I'm trying to say. I want the car to be done the right way. I got my hands on it already. I'm pretty happy with what I did, getting the car running back. I know it's not a big deal. It was something minor that I did, replace that. But the good thing that I got it back running, and I'm pretty happy with that. Now for the rest of the stuff, I'm just gonna let professional take care of it. The car needs to be taken care of, the right way, and I want to see the car, at its best. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. I still need to take it, get the mechanic to tell me for sure that it's that. He's not gonna, if it's something else that's worse or something, I don't know. He needs to make sure, but like I said, he's 90 something percent positive that it's the valve stem seals. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. I've asked a lot of people, and a lot of people, think it's that too. A lot of you guys have mentioned it in my past videos that these cars have that issue before having before me even finding out that it does have this issue. So I guess it's pretty common with these cars. I don't know what BMW was thinking. Is it BMW's fault? Is it the people that bought the car and the way they were driving it that caused that fault? To smoke out the back? I have no idea, guys. Let me know what you guys think, like always. And some of you guys, because I've seen some of the comments, and some of you don't like it when I ask this type of questions. But honestly, I've been looking for other videos to resolve some of my problems, and most of the time, if the video doesn't have the answer will be in the comments. So read the comments, guys. Read the comments. If you find a video that talks about a little bit of the problem that you might have with the car, it doesn't matter what car that you have, but if you're looking for a video and it kind of guides you through it, read the comments, because the comments have a lot of good information. At least in my videos, a lot of you guys left a lot of great comments, that other people will find helpful. So don't forget to leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you guys think, if you've been through this problem, and read the comments, because sometimes other people are asking good questions about their cars in the comment section, and maybe you could help them out too. So yeah, guys, I'm pretty sure that the next time I turn the camera back on, I'll be leaving the car at the shop. So yeah, guys.